For decades, the perforating industry has focused upon cement penetration as the only measure of performance of perforating products. We didn't look at the shape of the tip. We didn't look at the condition of the sidewall. We didn't look at the amount of clear tunnel that was produced. We didn't look at the hole size and the change in the hole size from the casing to the perforation to the middle of the tunnel to the tip of the tunnel, and we didn't evaluate how that perforation tunnel flowed. Unless you address all of these factors in perforation design, then you're not going to generate the product that delivers the best economical performance for the well. As we move away from evaluating perforation performance in cement, we have to develop tools to predict how these products are going to perform downhole. The primary factor that plays into how well a perforation tunnel performs is the amount of open tunnel. Now, this is affected by the rock that you're perforating, the system and the charge design, and also the conditions that you're perforating in.
The GEODynamics Perforation Flow Lab compares flow performance delivered by computing systems using natural rock targets under representative downhole conditions, systems, techniques, and scenarios.
We've built a facility that is the best of its kind in the world to give us information that we have no other way of getting. And we use that information to make things that haven't been made before.
Application specialists use state-of-the-art software to construct realistic simulations of your downhole opportunity.
We start with a cylinder of rock. We apply stress to the outside, pressure to the inside. We simulate the casing and the cement of the wellbore and the gun, and all of the surges that happen once we detonate a shaped charge and produce a perforation.
GEODynamics' commitment to testing based on representative conditions enables rapid screening of alternative completion systems, techniques, and scenarios.
All of these different tests require rock that is like the rock that's downhole. So we have a huge library of different targets, everything from a multitude of sandstones, weak to strong, a multitude of carbonates and limestones, shale targets. They are dried to a constant weight, saturated with oil fluid, weighed, measured, so that we can calculate the permeability, the porosity, and the strength of the target. The development cell is very important because it allows us to make a simplified test that gives a first-order estimate of geometry at a very rapid rate. The treatment cell allows us to take an already perforated core and place it at stress and pressure and temperature conditions that might exist in the downhole well, and then treat that perforation tunnel and the surrounding rock with any chemical that we want, so that we understand the chemical interaction with the real geometry of the perforation tunnel instead of just an artificial representation of that tunnel. Another test capability that we have is a high-pressure, high-temperature test cell capable of testing tools up to 9 inches in diameter and up to 15 feet long, up to 40,000 psi and 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This allows us to take tools all the way to the collapse regime so that we know that when they go into the high-pressure downhole environment, they're going to perform.
The GEODynamics Perforation Flow Lab is an essential tool in helping clients develop, identify, and deploy the right perforating systems for their wells. Tests can be set up and executed both economically and efficiently, supporting your decision-making processes.
In cases where perforating is not the best solution, GEODynamics has developed technology to directly connect the wellbore to the formation through innovative valve technology, which eliminates perforating runs and ultimately contributes to better performing and more profitable wells. We're creating a new standard of how we evaluate perforators. Products whose performance is not just going to be great on paper, but the product whose performance is going to be great in your well.
Whether maximizing productivity or the area open to flow, GEODynamics has the right completion technology to make more profitable wells. We maximize the value of our customers' assets by harnessing our knowledge, innovation, and relationships.
We deliver on the things that nobody else can do. We've brought products to market that are best-in-class performance.
Because we are focused on maximizing the value of our customers' assets, we have pioneered and continue to bring innovation into the industry.
GEODynamics produces completion technology for more profitable wells.